You need to hear this if you're concerned about your kidney health. Ever wondered how to keep your kidneys in peak condition? We're talking about two organs you probably don't think about too much until they're not working right. Your kidneys. These bean-shaped powerhouses filter your blood, remove waste, and keep your whole system running smoothly. But just like any filter, they can get clogged up. That's where today's video comes in. We're diving into the top 10 foods that naturally cleanse your kidneys and keep them in tip-top shape. We're talking about real food, not some crazy detox teas or supplements. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'm sharing a bonus kidney detox tip that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Trust me, your kidneys will thank you. First up, we've got a fan favorite for UTIs: cranberries. Cranberry juice helps with urinary tract infections and more. Cranberries have proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract. Less bacteria means a lower risk of UTIs and kidney infections. But watch out for sugar in cranberry juice. Go for unsweetened juice or whole cranberries. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. Moderation is key. Just a moderate amount can make a big difference. So next time, reach for those powerful little cranberries. Let's be honest, who doesn't love watermelon on a hot day? It's refreshing, delicious, and amazing for your kidneys. Watermelon is about 92% water, acting like a natural diuretic. Diuretics help flush out your system, including your kidneys. This helps remove waste and prevent kidney stones. Watermelon is also loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene protects your kidneys from damage, so next time you enjoy watermelon, remember it's a treat for your kidneys too. Let's talk about lemon juice, a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. You see, lemon juice is a natural acid, and that acidity can actually help break down those painful calcium oxalate stones that can form in your kidneys. Now, I'm not saying to go chugging straight lemon juice. That would be pretty intense. Instead, think about incorporating it into your diet in more subtle ways. A squeeze of lemon in your water is a great way to start your day and support your kidneys. Not only does it add a refreshing flavor, but it also helps alkalize your body, making your urine less acidic and creating an environment that's less favorable for kidney stone formation. And don't forget, lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage. So, whether you're adding it to your water, squeezing it over your salad, or using it in your favorite recipes, remember that a little lemon can go a long way in keeping your kidneys healthy. Next up is garlic, a staple in kitchens around the world and a true superhero for your kidneys. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its distinctive smell and its impressive health benefits. Allicin is a powerful anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Inflammation can put a strain on your kidneys, so keeping it in check is crucial. But that's not all. Garlic is also a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids and toxins from your kidneys. This can be especially helpful if you're prone to water retention or urinary tract infections. And here's a bonus. Garlic can also help lower blood pressure, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. So, don't be shy with the garlic. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, stews, or even roast a whole head of garlic for a delicious and nutritious treat. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Let's move on to ginger, another culinary superstar with a long history of medicinal use. Just like garlic, ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and throughout the body. But ginger's benefits go beyond just fighting inflammation. It's also a natural diuretic, promoting healthy urine flow and helping to flush out toxins that can accumulate in the kidneys. And here's where ginger really shines. It's been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by high blood sugar levels, a common complication of diabetes. So if you're looking for a delicious and effective way to support your kidney health, look no further than ginger. You can add it to your smoothies, teas, stir-fries, or even enjoy it pickled alongside your sushi. We've all heard the saying, An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and when it comes to kidney health, there's a lot of truth to that old adage. Apples are packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your kidneys, especially fiber and antioxidants. Fiber is essential for digestive health, but it also plays a crucial role in keeping your kidneys healthy. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, both of which are important for preventing kidney damage. Apples are also loaded with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to a variety of health problems, including kidney disease. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, reach for an apple. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Let's talk about blueberries, those tiny but mighty berries that pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Blueberries are like nature's candy, but with the added bonus of being incredibly good for you. One of the key reasons blueberries are so beneficial for your kidneys is their high antioxidant content. They're loaded with anthocyanins, which give blueberries their vibrant blue color and help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. But that's not all. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that supports kidney health, and they're low in potassium, which can be helpful for people with kidney problems who need to limit their potassium intake. So whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen in smoothies, or on top of your yogurt, make blueberries a regular part of your diet and give your kidneys the love they deserve. It's time to talk about leafy greens, the nutritional powerhouses that should be a staple in everyone's diet, especially if you're looking to support your kidney health. We're talking spinach, kale, collard greens, arugula, the list goes on. Leafy greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for kidney function, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and magnesium. They're also naturally low in potassium, which, as we discussed earlier, can be important for people with kidney problems. But here's where leafy greens really shine. They're a great source of dietary nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood flow to the kidneys and lower blood pressure. And as we all know, healthy blood pressure is essential for keeping your kidneys functioning properly. So, load up on those salads, stir-fries, and smoothies packed with leafy greens. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is gaining popularity for its incredible health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting your kidneys. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color and is responsible for its impressive anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by inflammation, toxins, and oxidative stress. It can also help reduce proteinuria, a condition where there's too much protein in the urine, which can be a sign of kidney damage. So, how can you incorporate more turmeric into your diet? You can add it to curries, soups, stews, or even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables for a flavor and health boost. And don't forget about golden milk, a delicious and comforting drink made with turmeric, ginger, and your choice of milk. Finally, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that are essential for overall health and play a crucial role in keeping your kidneys functioning properly. You can find omega-3s in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines, as well as in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatories, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. They can also help lower blood pressure and reduce triglyceride levels, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidneys. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids have a lower risk of developing chronic kidney disease. So, make sure you're incorporating plenty of these healthy fats into your diet. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week and sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds on your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a plant-based omega-3 boost. So there you have it, the top 10 foods that can naturally cleanse your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for your overall health, and incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to show your kidneys some love. Which of these kidney-friendly foods do you already enjoy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy.